Hi everybody, I'm Wayne Lambert, the owner and lead consultant with Lambert. This video is about our universal truth, our single organising principle, which is to analyse, plan, execute and sustain. This is the first phase, analyse. Lambert ensures that your organisation's key personnel are clear how hours, productivity and deadlines are all monitored. And we address any fears and apprehension expressed by not only managers but employees too. Together, we ensure that workload issues are resolved and realistic targets are set. So how do we analyse your culture? The purpose of completing a health culture analysis is to identify the cultural supports for good health and any areas that might need improvement. Working to improve the health culture at your worksite makes your worksite more supportive of healthy behaviours, i.e. healthy food choices, no smoking policies, walking groups, etc. etc. After this, we will then analyse your organisation's strategic plan, annual reports and past medical claims in order to better understand the current employee health status. Certain data will be collated via specific assessment, i.e. to see which portion of the costs are modifiable. This analysis phase needs to identify how to position wellness so that it fits in with the priorities of your organisation. I will now summarise our baseline analytics. Organisational data collection, employee health data collection, physical environment data collection, and finally employee protection and productivity data. Throughout the whole corporate wellness program, we never stop analysing the progress of your company. So it's important to know that we constantly monitor, resurvey and make any adjustments that are necessary. Lambert also acts on specific recommendations for modification or for further enhancements. So it's time to decide, is now the right time for you to commence your very own corporate wellness program? And allow Lambert to take the reins and guide you on your corporate wellness journey. If so, book your strategy call now by emailing info@lambertwellbeing.com.